Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. In today's video, we will be comparing two mini drones, the DEERC D20 and the DyineeFy. Both of these drones are perfect for kids and beginners, but which one is the better choice? Let's find out. Let's start with one of the most important features of a drone, the camera. The DEERC D20 comes equipped with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to take stunning aerial photos and videos. With its FPV transmission, you can even see the sky from a live video feed through your smartphone app. On the other hand, the DyineeFy Mini Drone doesn't have a camera feature. Next, let's talk about battery life. The DEERC D20 comes with two rechargeable and powerful batteries, supporting up to 20 minutes of flight time. This means you can enjoy longer flights and capture more footage. In comparison, the DyineeFy Mini Drone offers a continuous flight time of 8 to 15 minutes with a single charge. While it's not as long as the D20, it still provides enough entertainment for kids. Now, let's take a look at the flight features. The DEERC D20 offers altitude hold, which allows the drone to maintain a certain height, making it easy to control and take high-quality footage. It also has 3D Flips and Waypoints Fly, adding an extra level of fun to your flight experience. On the other hand, the DyineeFy Mini Drone features headless mode, altitude hold, and 360-degree flips. It also has a one-key takeoff landing function and a one-key return feature, making it simple and easy to fly. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to drones for kids. The DEERC D20 comes with low-power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards, ensuring a safe flight experience. The DyineeFy Mini Drone is also designed with safety in mind. It has high-quality ABS materials, providing enhanced protection for its propellers and motors. Additionally, it features a unique structural design and 4 sturdy propeller guards, preventing potential harm to hands and bodies. Based on online reviews, here is the overall assessment of the two mini drones. In conclusion, if you're looking for a mini drone with a camera and longer flight time, the DEERC D20 is the better choice. However, if you prioritize safety features and a more affordable price, the DyineeFy Mini Drone is a great option. Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. That's it for today's comparison. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.